Let's try it again, Vivian. Shake it. Shake it. You don't eat that, Mama. Shake it. Shake it, Vivian. Shake it. Shake it, but don't break it. Shake it, Vivian. Shake it. Shake it, but don't break it. Oh, one has the one has. Okay. Well, I guess you can switch. Ask her nicely. Oh, careful when you put it in her hands. Hold it, Vivian. Your little brother's helping you, Vivian. Hold it. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, I think she got it, buddy. Let her put her arm around it. She'll eventually get it. If you just put it right there, look. You just put it close to her thumb. And then she'll know it's something in there. And then she'll get it. Here you go, Vivian. Shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Oops. Oops, sorry, Vivian. Oh.